Hey everybody in YouTube world, this is Strongbow. I'm going to pick here some locks that I don't think I have previously successfully opened on video today. I don't know if I'm going to upload this as a single video or multiple videos, but I'm going to start with this Ace 30mm brass lock. This is identical in pretty much every way to its 40mm big brothers, with the exception that it is 30mm and only has 4 pins instead of 5. But it uses the same key, the only difference being the bow of the key is smaller, and of course it's shorter because it's only 4 pins, but it's the same, otherwise the same key blank. It uses the same key shape and size. I will also be picking, or attempting to pick, these two Ace 40mm locks. I've been able to pick one of them for a couple of weeks now, and then I just successfully got the other one open today. And then, if all goes well, I will then proceed to open at least one of these American 1100s. I'm going to be using, for the Ace lock, so I'll be using bottom of the keyway tension. And the, I don't know what they call this pick from the Dangerfield Serenity set. I've been using my Sparrow's short standard hook a lot recently, but I broke it earlier today, so I'm falling back on this, and I've had pretty good luck with it today. So, starting out with the Ace 30mm, there are at least 2 spool pins in this lock. I just dropped into one of the spools and then lost it. Okay, false set. And I just dropped that. Ace 30mm 4 pin.